we're going to go down and see if we can find the trailhead, because it's only about a mile from here.
And it's along the river?
Along the river.
Okay.
It goes about 14 miles. It goes all the way to Coverton, and to the dam. Covington, yep.
We have trouble with that word, Covington.
So we'll see you on the trail. Bye. So we're down at the trailhead for Jackson River Trail. It's 14 miles. It runs along the river, and it's just south of our camp, a mile and a half of Morris Hill Campground.
In Virginia.
In the Blue Ridge area, but this is Washington.
George Washington National Forest, I guess they call it, George Washington Forest.
Yeah. And a great trailhead that they have here, and we're going to ride this direction.
Going that way.
So,
Nice and cool so far.
yeah. Nice shady, 70 degrees, barely. A little warm in the direct sun, but real nice in the shade. So far, nice smooth trail. Well, what I can say so far, this is nice. They rated it 5 stars. So far, I can see why. Got a great crushed stone base, very hard pack with not any breaking bumps and big rocks in it. Along the river, and a lot of shade trees. And this was an old railroad bed, so it's a rails to trails now. Well, that was a nice 23-mile ride.
Yeah.
That was a nice 23-mile ride.
Right at 23 miles, I think, yeah.
Very nice.